Today we're going to look at our trading 212 stocks ISA. This is an account where any profits you make or dividend you receive or increase in value of your investment, that's all protected tax-free, and you can invest up to £20,000 per year in a stocks ISA. Now, what we're looking at today is the dividends we've been getting. At the moment, I don't need these for income, passive income, but the time will be coming up soon when I do need passive income. So for the time being, I'm reinvesting to increase my holding in each stock or company, and consequently the next dividend payment will be higher because dividends are paid out in proportion to the number of shares you own in the company. So I'm going to reinvest, and we've got 3 companies that have recently paid out. First one is Consolidated Edison. They are here, and they, as a company, should tell us what they do. Scroll it about Consolidated Edison, and through its subsidiaries engage in the regularized electric, gas and steam delivering business in the United States. It supplies steam, electric and gas to 3.5 million customers. When I initially did my research, this was classed as a company that paid a regular dividend. At the moment, the dividend yield is 3.5%. So we're going to reinvest the latest dividend payment we've received, which was, if we go to history, you'll be able to see, and if I go to dividends, that clearly shows Consolidated Edison £1.85. So we're going to reinvest. So we go back to the profile, Consolidated Edison, buy, and we're going to buy the value, and the value we're going to buy is the amount of dividend we received, which was £1.85. Go to 1.85, and this will buy us 0.025 of a share. And review order, and we don't want that, and send buy order, order placed, and the order will be executed when the US stock exchange opens in 4 hours 56 minutes time. So that's the first one we've done. And the next one is Realty Income. It's a real estate investment trust where this company owns many properties in the United States, mostly shops and retail premises, where the person who leases from Realty Income pays a monthly or regular rent and looks after all maintenance. And by being set up in a real estate investment trust, the trust has to pay, I think that's 90% of the earnings in the form of dividends, and these dividends are paid monthly. So if we go to Realty Income, I've told you a bit about it, and if we go to history, we can see when the last orders dividends, Realty Income, that's £5.81 was the last dividend paid, and we are going to go back to Realty Income, and we're going to reinvest the dividend of £5.81. So we go to buy, an amount 5.81, the value, and that buys us 0.132 of a share. Done. Review order. Send by order. Order placed, and as I say, these shares are traded on the US stock exchange, and that's not open yet. It should be open in 4 hours 54 minutes time. Then the order will be executed, and I'll own these extra shares. Right, the next one, last one, the real big one, is BP. If we go to history, dividends, and we go to BP, British Petroleum, has worldwide interests in everything from exploring for oil, drilling for oil, to actually selling the refined product at garage forecourts in the form of petrol and diesel and the like. So that's where we are with BP, and we're going to buy, go back, BP, no, that's realty income, hang on, BP, and we're going to buy or reinvest £68.79. That was the value of the last dividend payment, which I think is paid quarterly. So £68.79 worth of shares we're going to buy. So 68.79, which equates to 16.01 shares. So I'm increasing my holding. Review order, send by order. I've just bought them because the stock exchange is open. So okay, and my holding has gone up in BP. Now if we scroll down, we can see the dividend yield at the moment is 4.28%, which is a nice dividend regular payment. So that's the free dividend payments for stocks I hold. I've reinvested, so I've increased my holdings. So next time I get a dividend payment, as long as the dividend rate payout is the same, I will get more cash. Now, the time will come soon when I take this in the form of a passive income, but at the moment I don't need it, so I'm increasing my holdings. I hope you found this interesting. Until next time, I bid you a really successful investing adventure.